Welcome to the So Blessed channel, guys. Today we're making a super simple and delicious ground beef and vegetable soup. Let's get right into it. So to this hot pan, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil just to get the ground beef going. Now we're gonna add 1 pound of the ground beef. This doesn't have a lot of fat in it, so we'll probably not have to drain it after it's browned, but if you have ground beef that has a lot of fat in it, make sure that you drain some of that grease off. Okay, as we have the ground beef browning here, we don't have to brown it all the way through because remember it's going to continue to cook in the soup. But we're going to add 3 mini peppers, and we're going to add about 1/4 of this medium onion. Okay, this is the part that makes this really quick and easy. We're gonna add 1 can of kidney beans, but you can use whatever canned beans you have on hand or whatever you prefer. We're gonna also add some cut green beans. Again, this is what I have on hand, but use whatever combination you like. I'm gonna use 2 cans of that. And then I'm also gonna add 1 can of corn. Now we're just going to give this a gentle stir, bringing all that ground beef from the bottom of the pan and incorporating it with the vegetables so that the vegetables get a good flavor from the ground beef. Now we're going to add the beef broth to this, and this will also give it some additional flavor. I wasn't sure of how much salt was in the broth. That's why you didn't see me add any seasoning and up until this point, because we don't know how much salt is in that broth. So we are going to stir it in, and then I'll give that a taste off camera, and then we'll decide how much seasoning to put. Okay, so now we're coming in with the Tony's, and then we're going to add also some black pepper and some table salt. And then maybe 10 minutes into the cooking process, you can go back and taste it and see if you need to add any more seasoning. And then, again, you don't have to use these. You can use whatever your favorite seasonings are. I just chose Tony, black pepper, and salt. Most people have that on hand. Now we just put the lid on, let it cook for 20-25 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished product. Let's take a look and see what I got here. Adjust the camera just a little bit. So there's our soup. There is the ground beef and vegetable soup. And there is also, I did put some kidney or red beans in there as well, just to give it a little more substance, but this is what the finished product looks like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a try. Okay, see how hearty that is? Super simple to make, but super delicious. That's a good soup, guys. Hope you have a chance to try it, guys. And always stay blessed. Please, if you have time, support the channel by subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.